In this episode, I'm gonna take you to the Murray Building, a government office originally designed by the renowned architect Ron Phillips, whose works in Hong Kong have shaped the landscape of Hong Kong in the 1950s and 60s. And his works included landmarks such as the Star Ferry Concourse, the City Hall, and this iconic Murray Building. The building is famous for its pioneering design that emphasizes both the sustainability and functionality of the building, and has now been restored by the Foster & Partners to become a 5-star hotel operated by the Marco Polo Group. If you have worked in the building before, I'm pretty sure that you won't recognize the building once you have stepped into the lobby. There are 2 places of the hotel that serves afternoon tea, and I'm now showing you the garden lounge. Don't forget to find a seat near the window because you'll be able to see this beautiful lawn. The garden lounge serves 2 different kinds of afternoon tea, the traditional one and the one with Asian elements, and I've chosen the traditional one. I have to say that both the savory finger sandwiches and the desserts have all maintained a fine balance of freshness and tastiness. And what's more British than serving not just scones, but also pretzel and Anzac cookies. You can also pay an extra $150 for some specially made desserts. The next place that I'm going to take you to is the Popinjays, a rooftop restaurant with a view. Located on the 26th floor, you have to first take the lift to the 25th floor and then change to another lift with a big Popinjay logo. Once you have arrived at the restaurant, you get to enjoy this amazing city landscape of Central, the heart of Hong Kong. Inside the Popinjay, you'll find the most chic and colorful design elements that you'll find in some boutique hotels. I have ordered the flat white this time, which is just okay, but the afternoon tea is as good as the one served at the garden lounge. They also serve scones, which are not surprising to me. But muffins that are savory? Well, anyway, it's quite good actually. But one final surprise is that they serve me chocolate eggs. Well, let's see what it reads. An egg today is better than a hen tomorrow? Well, for me, it's a high tea for 2 days that is better than a high tea for just 1 day, especially having both of them at the Murray Hotel.